front porch sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverage.
Hi fam, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some outdoor activities that we do throughout the week in our garden, and we're gonna be harvesting some fruit and make some delicious sorbet out of them. And I'm also gonna be making some beautiful centerpiece flowers that I got from the garden as well. I hope you enjoy watching this video and give this video a like, guys. Let's get started.
Citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo.
Earlier that day, we went to the garden center and get some grass cutting tools and some vegetables to cultivate, and the kids and their dad did had fun cutting the grass.
Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Could play my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Listening to me crime to get a little lost.
You guys, the next few days later, there was a very great storm that knocked down one of our apple trees. So I thought that was because the tree had so many fruits on one side and it's kind of like leaning on that side. It was too heavy. So the storm came and just knocked it down. But my husband and I managed to lift it up and support it with some sticks and metals. So we hope that that stays and just get stronger again.
It goes round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Could play my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear?
Flowers are dried. Do not get to the garden and get some fresh ones.
Rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. It's a good life. Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Could play my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beach sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
This is one of the beauties about summer, the flowers. Like, I love flowers, so my husband to get them every single week from the supermarket. But during the summer or whatever season that provides flowers, I prefer to harvest or get them from the nature for free. So I did got some pretty beautiful flowers that I'm gonna arrange as a centerpiece, and I also got some fruit like strawberries, himbeer. I think himbeer is called, is it the raspberry? I'm not sure, but I did got some few fruits and I do like to freeze them when they are plenty. And I like to make sweet desserts out of them. So those are what we're gonna be enjoying throughout the season until they're out of season.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy.
And it was time to make some dessert, so I opted to make some strawberry sorbet, which is everyone's favorite in this house. And I've got the video in my cooking channel. I'm gonna link it in the description box down below. Check it out if you want to make some delicious, refreshing sorbet for the summer.